Hi, this is Doug Tidwell for Gradle Enterprise, here with the highlights of the 22.3 release. First, we now support S3 storage of build scans. That offers you much faster write speeds, removing a potential bottleneck if you're doing lots of simultaneous builds. And S3 storage is cheap and scalable, which makes it practical to store lots more build scans. Best of all, it's easy to set up through the admin panel. We now have unified access control for the build cache. Previously, you had to maintain a separate set of credentials for the build cache. Now you don't. If you're an admin, you can now delete a build scan directly from the build scan page. If someone creates a build scan that contains credentials, for example, it's easy to delete it. And if there's a failed build caused by a typo or some other embarrassing mistake, you can delete it before your teammates see what you've done. If you're an admin, you can group Maven goals and Gradle tasks in the timeline view. Let's say you want to make your build faster. Of course you do. The new view makes it easy to see which goals and tasks are taking the most time, which makes it easy to choose which ones to optimize. There are also a number of UI and functional enhancements that let you, for example, view the Java tool change used in a Gradle task, view the extensions used in a Maven build, use new selectors in the timeline search, and other useful things. Finally, if you've got a replicated-based installation that's now officially deprecated, you'll need to move to a Helm-based installation. To put it another way, if you hesitated when replicated was deprecated, you'll be relegated to the unsophisticated unless your efforts are instigated and accelerated to get migrated. I hope you enjoyed that. Those are the highlights, but there's more. See the release notes for all the details. Thanks for watching and enjoy the new release. Cheers.